our weekly Be Social report, talking about our community in general, about, hey, yeah, how are you making money? What is all that's going on? And listen, I'm going to give you highlights of what's going on. But if you guys want to be a part of it, and like I said, when I get into this, you're going to see there's things happening, and you probably missed out on stuff. You missed out on contests. You missed out on things, right? Because all I can do is once a week and give you a kind of like an overall. But you need to start digging in. If you have
are you turning this into a FOMO Friday right now?
It is a FOMO Friday. That's what it's all about. I mean, people have their money, they're invested in this. Maybe you should kind of dig in and take a look and see what's going on, because every one of these projects are starting to roll out things that they're doing, and it's garnering attention. And again, they're just starting, right? So, but check it out. It's really cool. July 16th, 2021. Before we start our Be Social report, I'd like to take a second to say to everyone, please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to be the most up to date of what we're doing, is to join Be Social Telegram, right? There are people on there 24/7. We got people that are doing things all around the world now. We got people that are going to kind of take a look. And if you need to hop on a call, they can hop on a call. If you need somebody to answer a question real quick, you need to go over there. So join our Be Social Telegram channel and start getting involved, right? Like I said, ask if you need help with something, go in there and start asking somebody. They will help you. There's people in there doing that, right? All the time. Big ups to Cal and Scott and Das and Austin. There are people in there, and I don't mean to miss that, because there's a lot of people. Will, there's a lot of people in there helping, doing great things, and that's all they're doing. They're just helping you, right? They're not getting paid. They're just helping you. So really appreciate you guys, everybody that's doing stuff and answering questions and helping people understand what's going on here. And Tim, what you did for his intro, man, that's top notch, man. That's a professionals. I know Doss did it. It was kind of your idea, and a big cool thing for Scott McHenry. That's pretty cool, man, to do the voiceover. Very cool, man. That was very.
That was great. I really love that. And yeah, just like you said, there's so many people that turn up to help out, to do whatever their talent is. They contribute it, and it just makes everything better for everyone. So whatever you can do or want to do, or however you want to participate, you're always welcome. Whether it's a big project, a small project, or something else, or just helping somebody else, feel comfortable about what they're doing. It's much appreciated.
Yep, absolutely. So Swarm Troops, let's get buzzing. Let's get it going. All right. So this was
a big week.
It was. It's again doing its thing. Right now, it's sideways market, right? YFU token by Anime Limited. July 9th, it was 0.82, right? So today, July 16th, 0.72. It is down 0.10 cents from a week ago. So if you bought YFU tokens on July 9th, you would have 121 YFU tokens, and they'd be worth $87 today if you sold them. There are 386 YFU token holders, down one from 387 YFU token holders last week. YFU has a total market cap of 9,167,372. So the total market cap this week for YFU was flat. It didn't go up, didn't go down, flat. Again, kind of looking at the chart, it's exactly flat, right? And that's what it's talking about right here. Two green, red and green right there. All right. So with YFU on July 9th, Anime Limited celebrated Donkey Kong's 40th anniversary. Another video came that could jump to the big screen or become a series. And I don't know about you, but I used to play Donkey Kong all the time, Tim. But
oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, there was their 40th anniversary. YFU was just showing it with some graphics, some NFTs, some games. Just might be launched again, talking about this kind of iconic game, Donkey Kong. I like the original though, Tim. All the other stuff that Junior was all right, but the Donkey Kong original was the greatest, man. I'm old school. Yeah.
I spent many hours after school coming home and playing that.
Did you really?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Anime Limited invited everyone to come join their community starting July 15th. You can make your own NFT masterpiece with Anime Limited and earn from it, right? How about making it and then uploading it onto OpenSea and start making money off of what you design, what you do. So check them out. Go to their Twitter account, right? They got a lot of go to the website, right? And check out what they got. They got a lot of social media channels. There's a lot going on over there, and you can start learning. If you are a graphic designer, or if you like drawing, or if you just like messing around, not all of that where you got to come up with an original picture like that. You can maybe use part of what they do. I know they do that as well, where you put on different clothes. She has instead of a guitar, she's playing drums, whatever it is. But go check out what they got, and maybe you can start creating your own NFTs, right? And start putting them up on OpenSea and start earning, or at least see what they got going on. Everybody, they're trying to show you what how you can earn from this. So if that's something of interest of you, go check it out. Anime Limited is really kind of opening it up so everybody can start getting involved with graphic design, especially on their Telegram and Discord. They want people to tell them what they're looking for, what they're into, or what type of designs or whatever, right? That's kind of what they're all about. So you can be involved in what they're building and what they're designing. So go check out Anime Limited and follow them on Twitter. It's a big deal.